Of course, I apologize that I could not be here today, but I wanted to take the opportunity to go over organized labor and current events in France. Currently, the French labor market is represented by 8 national union federations that are rather politically and ideologically dispersed rather than trade driven as they are in the United States. What that means is rather than something along the lines of the United Auto Workers, in France you could see a communist or even radical union representation in the form of something like the General Confederation of Labor, which is strong ties to the French Communist Party. Now, this does not necessarily mean that you can have a positive or negative relationship with regards to ideological representation in the labor force, rather that employees and employers that are entering the organized French market must understand that the French unions have a great deal difference from that of the United States. Unions in France have a strong formal labor relationship, and union representation in France is actually the lowest in the European Union at 8.8%. This compares quite oddly to the United States, which has 11.3% union representation, resulting in France having a 25% lower representation rate compared to that to the United States. Now, one of the key differences is that there's exclusive union representation in the United States, to where once a union is elected, it will continue to represent the workforce. Now, unions in France are elected every 5 years, and individual candidates for election can belong to a different union. As a result, these national unions can have various degrees of success depending on the political climate.